Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a happy Halloween pumpkin. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the pumpkin's eyes and mouth. You can color them black right away. Next, start drawing the pumpkin's body, begin right in the middle. Then, draw the sections on both sides. Add the outer sections on each side, making sure they're even. Now, draw the pumpkin stem on top. Let's decorate it with some cute little vines. All done with the sketch. That was super easy, right? If you're ready, let's color it in. Use orange to color the whole pumpkin. Then, color the stem black. And we're done! Now you've got a cute Halloween pumpkin to show your friends. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!